How to log in to Hostinger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Hostinger website. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and simply search for Hostinger. After you search for Hostinger, you can head over to its website. You can see right here. And after you're on Hostinger, you can actually get free domains. You can buy website domains. You can host your websites. So to do that, first you will need to log in. So after you're on Hostinger, you can then see the login button on the top right option. Tap on login, and there you can see different options to log in as well. So you can log in with your Google, you can log in with your Facebook, or you can even log in with your GitHub. Other than that, you can simply type in your email and then your password to log in as well. So I'll just choose the login with Google option here and choose my account. After doing that, you can just log in into your account and it's that simple. So as you can see now, it's starting to load, and after that, there we go. I've just logged in into my account. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.